Do Vaunt's new Recip blades stand a chance against a chainsaw when chopping through a log? Let's find out.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Are you joking?
I did 3.
I did 2. Well, that's gone a lot better than I thought it would, to be honest, because that's actually quicker than a chainsaw at going through a log. Who saw that coming? I didn't see that coming. You're joking, what, was I doing something wrong? Right, we swapped tools because I can't actually believe how good it is. Right, I'm just gonna do 1. 3, 2, 1, go. Rapid, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm very impressed. You can get yours now at its.co.uk.